Today I'm going to cook popcorn chicken. So I have here half kilo of chicken breast. I cut it into cubes. Then cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon salt, and 1 egg. So those are the things that I'm going to do to use for marinating the chicken. Then later for the flour mixture, before we fry it, I'm going to use 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and another teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, let's start. We're going to marinate the chicken. So here's our chicken. Then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then we're just going to marinate it first. Okay, then we're going to crack the egg. Okay, so I put the 1 egg. So we need to mix it. Then we're going to put our cornstarch. I'm going to put our cornstarch and then mix it. Then we're going to set it aside. So here's our chicken. So we're just going to set it aside. And now we're going to combine our flour mixtures. Before we fry the chicken, we're going to coat the chicken to this flour mixture. So okay, so here's 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put our 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then we're just going to mix the spices and the flour. And then this is ready for coating. We're going to coat each of our chickens, then fry it. Okay. So here's our marinated chicken. We're going to coat it with our flour. Each, one by one. Okay. It's easier for me to use my hands. Put it like that. And we need to take or tap it so that the extra or excess flour will be. Taken off. Be sure to tap it. And we're going to do the same process with the rest of the chicken. Okay. And then I'm going to turn on the heat and put the cooking oil in the pan. Be sure the cooking oil is hot before you put the chicken and fry it. Okay, so our pan is ready with the cooking oil. I put low to medium heat. Then we're going to deep fry it. Just going to turn it to flip it over, and this is almost ready, our popcorn chicken. You can serve it with tartar sauce or sweet and sour sauce or honey barbecue sauce. Or my kiddos sometimes they just eat it with like this. They will not have any sauce at all. Sometimes they use gravy, the Filipino gravy, Mang Tomas. Okay, so we're almost ready. Just want to make sure that all are flipped over and cooked. Okay. Okay. Our popcorn chicken is cooked. It's ready. We're just going to take it off. Using strainer, you can take off Take off the oil. Yay, it's ready. And we're going to have a taste test. Let's taste our popcorn chicken. This is good. Good taste. Crunchy also. Good recipe.